Civil defense mock drills were conducted nationwide in India. These drills aim to prepare citizens for emergency situations. Local authorities organized the events with community participation. Volunteers played roles of victims and responders. Drills included evacuation procedures and emergency protocol education. Residents learned about disaster management and coordination. Firefighters, police, and medical teams participated in the mock drills. Communication systems tested to ensure effective information flow. Mock scenarios included earthquakes, floods, and fires. Feedback from participants helps improve future preparedness. Such drills foster community resilience and awareness. Public awareness campaigns complement these practical exercises. Mock drills highlight the importance of readiness during crises. India prioritizes safety and preparedness through regular drills. Communities benefit from collective learning during these assemblies. Mock drills emphasize the role of each individual in emergencies.